guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. So this video for today is very exciting. I get to compare my favorite blow dryer or styling tool to another very similar one from Conair. I'm gonna do half of my head with the Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer, and then the other half with the Conair Infinitipro hot air spin brush. So I'm looking forward to this. I'm very excited. If you guys haven't seen my Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer review, go check it out. I will link it down below. I give a lot more details in that video about how I use this brush and my first impressions of it. I am going to focus more today on the Conair one because I have made a lot of videos using this one. So go check it out. I'm gonna link all the videos down below. And good news, guys, since you guys have been showing so much love in that video, and I have gotten over 170,000 views on that video, and I can't believe it. I seriously can't believe it. So since you guys have been so kind and showing so much love in that video, and since so many of you have been wanting to buy this brush, I will actually be giving away one of these. So I'm going to be giving away a brand new Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. So at the end of the video, I'm going to give you guys all the details on how to enter the giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, let's get right into the video. I'm actually going to do half of my head right now using this brush, and then I'm gonna come back and do the other half using the new Infinity. Well, it's not new, but it's new to me, but I'm gonna be using that on the other half of my hair. So my right side is going to be the Revlon, and then my left side is going to be the Conair. And also one more thing, the prices are very similar. They are pretty much the same price. The Revlon cost this, and then the Conair cost this. So yeah, as you guys can see, I am obsessed with this. I really am. I love this. I use this all the time. And this is how my hair looks like so far. So I'm just gonna finish the Revlon half, and then I'll come back and finish the Conair side. Alright guys, so here is the Revlon side. There you have it. You guys know that I am obsessed with this tool. My hair has never looked this shiny and smooth with another hair tool. I mean, look at that shine. You guys know I'm obsessed with this. So let's just go right into the Conair brush. So it has a rotating action. So I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this rotating action. So the brush, instead of you rotating it with your arm like this one, you have a couple of buttons that help you rotate it. So I don't know how I feel about that. We'll see how it works. And as you can see here, it brings two different brushes. So it brings 1.5 brush, which is like a little bit smaller, and then the 2-inch brush that is bigger. So you're supposed to get different looks, which is pretty cool. I hope this is worth it because I spent $60 on this. Like, I could have gotten another Revlon brush with that, but we'll see if it's worth it. Ooh, okay, so here is the first brush. This is the 2-inch, I'm assuming. And compared to this one, it is a little bit smaller. And then this is the 1.5. So there you have it, 1.5 and 2 inches. As you can see, this one's smaller, this one's bigger. So I'm gonna start off with the 2-inch brush, and then I'm gonna use the 1.5 inches. Pretty easy to attach, and then if you wanna take it off, you just press the buttons, take it off. Pretty cool. So it only rotates when it's on, obviously, so I have to put it on. It's gonna be loud for me to show you guys, but it is what it is. Ooh. That's pretty cool. Okay, so I'm gonna take a small section and let's do this, guys. I'll put it on high. Okay. Oh, whoa. Whoa. I'm gonna try and rotate it on the ends. Okay, so right now I'm not rotating it just because it's not working out for me. I'm just using it without the rotating button. Whoa, what the? So I mean, it's not bad. The hairdryer is really good. It does blow out your hair. I just don't like the rotating buttons. I just feel like they don't do much. I'm just gonna do it without the rotating action because the rotating is just not working for me. Okay, so here's the first section. The shine is there. It's very smooth, very nice. I do like how this blowouts your hair. The only thing that I don't like, and you guys already know, is the rotating buttons. They just don't work out for me. I just don't think it's necessary. This doesn't pull your hair, but when you use the buttons, it does pull your hair. If you buy this, I just recommend that you rotate it yourself and you move it around and don't use the buttons because I don't think they're very helpful. I do feel like this blow dryer is a lot stronger than this one. So this is what it sounds like on high, and it might just be the sound. Maybe the Revlon sound is a little bit louder. I just feel like this blows out your hair a lot quicker than this. That's what it sounds like on high. That's what it sounds like on high. It's not even just about how loud it is. Like, you just feel it when you're blowing out your hair, and you just feel the air. You feel it, okay? So this one is a lot stronger and it blows out your hair a lot quicker. So now I'm going to switch the brush, and I'm going to use the smaller brush, the 1.5 inch, and let's see how this works out. I do feel like this would be great for people with really, really short hair. I feel like my grandma would really like this. She has really short hair, like maybe like up to here. So I feel like this would be really good for short hair. So I'm going to take this small section. Okay, so there you have it. That was with the smaller brush. I do like it. I like that the Conair one does bring 2 different sizes, so you can really use this on different types of hair. I do feel like the Revlon one, the brush is very big, but I do like that. I don't know, maybe, you know, everybody's different. I like the big brush. I think it's really good even on the roots. I think it's really good even on short hair. If you haven't seen my mom doing her hair with this, she has really short hair up to here. If you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna link it down below, but it works for her. So I'm gonna switch it back to the 2 inch because I do like that one a lot better. I like the bigger brush, and I'm just gonna finish my hair. Takes a lot longer to blow out your hair with this one. Okay guys, I am trying to make this as smooth as possible, and I don't want to be dramatic or anything, but this is taking me a very long time, and I'm starting to lose my patience because I gotta be somewhere and I don't have all day to finish my hair. Okay, so this is not my favorite. The thing that I don't really like about this is that as compared to the Revlon one, this one has, you see those pink bristles? Like, they're much stronger, so they really help smooth out more your hair. I just wish I could just finish with this brush. You guys can see it's already getting smoother and it's a lot faster. Like, it already looks more flat. Since it's the same price, I would just recommend probably the Revlon, especially if you have longer hair. If you have shorter hair, then go ahead and get the Conair one, because you might like it. You might like it because it brings 2 different sizes for brushes, so that is a big plus. Okay, time for the giveaway. I will be giving away 1 Revlon 1-step hair dryer and volumizer, and it's very easy to enter the giveaway. All you have to do is, number 1, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Number 2, turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Number 3, follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. And number 4, all you have to do is comment down below your email, okay? So just comment down below. You can put a nice comment if you want. Sure, that would be nice too. But yeah, so subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and comment down below your email. And I will be reaching out to one of you in the next 48 hours, so in the next 2 days. And I will be also announcing the winner in my following video, just so you guys can know who won the giveaway. But prior to that, I will contact the winner through email. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And if you liked this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well, so make sure you go ahead and check out those videos. Bye guys, love you.